Okay, now it's time to actually connect to our cluster through Management Studio. So I'm going to come down here, click over there. Let me see if I can find Management Studio over here. There we go. It comes up with SQL VI, connect, and we are connected to SQL VI. Now, I want to show you that you absolutely cannot connect to any of the individual nodes. There, see, it's just going to hang, and this is just going to time out. There's no way that you could connect to any of the individual nodes, not one or two. You can connect through remote desktop service all you want, right? You can TS into it all you want, because the individual Windows boxes themselves are actually turned on. But SQL is only running on one of them, and it's only listening through the SQL VI. Let's go ahead and take a look at how that works a little bit. Let's go to the DC. I think we're going to have to sign back in. There we go. I'm going to hit Control and delete there. There we are. Now, let's take a look at what we've got in computers now. We've got SQL Node 1, SQL Node 2, and Win cluster, but I think if we refresh, now you see the SQL VI. So the SQL VI has been given a computer account, just as well as the Win cluster has, in Active Directory. So clients outside actually see the SQL VI as a computer, and if I come here, where is it, to DNS, come here to forward lookup zones, in SQL PS, you can see that SQL Node 1 has a DNS entry, so does SQL Node 2, so you can get to them both on the Windows side, but you notice how the .6 and .4, how they both have, see, so I could have gone to 5 on SQL VI, that's fine. But you notice how SQL VI also has an entry in DNS. So as far as the clients are concerned, SQL VI is a SQL host, and they're going to connect to that SQL host. Regardless of which server it's being hosted on, the cluster manager is going to take care of routing it to the proper server. So that's how the translation gets done. That's why it doesn't really matter which node you're on, because the clients themselves connect to this guy, which has a computer account in AD. Let me see if I can get back there. There we go. Which has a computer account in AD, and then the translation happens from there. So I hope that gives you a little bit better behind the scenes look of what's going on here and how this whole thing fits together.